Okay, boys, welcome to your science class. Today in science, we are going to start our lesson 5.3. The name of the lesson is Making a Circuit, page number 52. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to make a wire, how to make a circuit. What is a circuit? A circuit is a small, you can say, a device in which we use bulb and we use cell. And when we connect it properly, bulb takes electricity from the battery and it glows. Okay, so we need 5 things in making a circuit. First one is battery. You can say it is a cell or a battery. You see when you see a battery, there is a positive and there is a negative pole. Then we have cell holder, bulb, wire, and bulb holder. So you know that cell will go inside the cell holder and bulb will go inside the bulb holder, and we are going to connect the cell holder and the bulb holder with the wire. Okay, so what will happen when we connect them properly? Bulb is going to take electricity from the battery, it will pass from the wire and bulb will glow, will light up. Electricity from the cell is less powerful. We have studied that main electricity is very dangerous, but cell electricity is not dangerous. You can touch it from your hand, okay? But the main electricity, the electricity that comes in the switch, that is dangerous. You cannot touch it. The main electricity. Small cells are safe to use, so you can use the cells safely. Touching the metal parts will not give you an electric shock. Means when you are going to touch the cell, it is not going to give you an electric shock. But when you are going to touch the electricity which switches with bare hands or wet hands, what will happen? You are going to get an electric shock, and it is very dangerous. A cell pushes around a circuit. It has a positive side and a negative side. You can see here it is positive and it is negative side also. So we were talking about making a circuit. It is very easy to make a circuit. You just need a cell holder, a bulb holder, bulb and cell and a wire. So it's very easy. Some of the boys from grade 4, yeah, they have also the same topic. So they did this experiment. They make a circuit also. So if you like, you can make this circuit. If you don't, it is not necessary. A cell pushes around a circuit. It has a positive and a negative side. You can see here it is positive and the downside is negative. The bulb lights up when electricity goes through it. A wire is used as a conductor. What is conductor? A good conductor of electricity means electricity can pass from a wire very easily. Inside the wire, there it is copper. You see this part, it is made of copper, and up it is covered with the plastic. So plastic is not a conductor, but the copper is good conductor of electricity. Electricity can pass from the copper very good, and the wire is covered with the plastic. Why? So when you are touching the wire, it should be safe and you should not get a shock. So connector. A wire is used as a connector. Connector means to connect two things together. So wire is connecting the bulb holder and the cell holder together. There it is making a connection between them. And it is a good conductor as well. Okay, now we have an activity. Can you make a bulb light up? Try making a circuit. You will need to connect the cell to the bulb using wires. Does the bulb light up? This working makes a loop. Electricity comes out of the cell at the negative end. It moves around the loop in the metal part of the wire. Then it goes back into the cell at the positive end. So this is how you are going to make a circuit. From negative, electricity will go inside the bulb. Bulb will light up and it will bring back the electricity to the positive end. So this is how you are going to make a circuit and you are going to connect it. If the bulb lights up, it means electricity is passing. If the bulb doesn't light up, it means you have made some mistake. So you have to connect it, check it again. And when the bulb lights up, it means your circuit is complete. So here it is important what you have learned in this center in the lesson. A bulb, cell, and wires can make a working circuit. So for making a working circuit, we need a bulb, cell, and wire. A bulb uses electricity to make light. So bulb needs electricity, whether you can give it from the main or you can give it from the cell to light up. Bulb will not glow if there is no electricity, like torch. In torch, what we do, we use cell, okay? And the lights inside our room and like in the houses, we use main electricity. Why? Because it needs more electricity. If it needs less electricity, we can use cells, battery. Like we have battery in the car. The battery is big. And from there, it starts the car, it starts the engine. We can light the, we can play the bulb, we can glow the bulbs, we can on the lights of the car with the help of battery. So everything that is working, it needs electricity to work. So important points in this lesson is to make a circuit, we need wire, bulb, bulb holder, cell, and cell holder. Number 2, a bulb uses electricity to make light. Cell is less powerful than main electricity and safe. Wire is used as a connector. Cell has positive and negative sides.